Let's recap the key points from our series on healing trauma with Reiki.
Understanding Reiki's power, it heals by balancing your energy.
Reiki reaches deep, it clears emotional and psychological blocks.
It's safe and effective. Reiki is non-invasive and complements other therapies.
You can do it too. Self-Reiki empowers you to continue healing.
Consistent practice is key. Regular Reiki sessions deepen the healing process.
Reiki is transformative. Over time, it helps you grow emotionally and spiritually.
Embrace the journey. Healing takes time, but the rewards are profound.
Integrate Reiki into your life. Use it daily for ongoing emotional balance. Here's how knowledge turns into action with Reiki healing.
Part 1. Reiki balances your energy to heal trauma.
Part 2. Emotional blocks are gently released through Reiki.
Part 3. Self-Reiki empowers you to take control of your healing.
Together, regular Reiki sessions build emotional resilience.
Realize, Reiki isn't just knowledge, it's a path to inner peace.
Action. Take the step to integrate Reiki into your daily life.
Consistency. Healing deepens when Reiki becomes a habit.
Trust the process. Reiki gently guides you through emotional transformation. Live the change. Embrace Reiki and let it bring peace into your life. Thank you for joining us. Continue your healing journey with Reiki and live in peace and balance. If you have any questions about this video, please write in the comment and I will answer you. Come back again because more tips coming soon.